Thank you for taking the time to watch the following video about the best products of this year. With so many products available, which one is the right model for you? The purpose of this video is to provide you the best choices available today. We have conducted many hours of research and comparisons along with in-depth reviews from homeowners just like you that have purchased these products in the past. We feel that the following video will help you make a more decisive decision. Make sure to check the products links below in the description. Let's get started.
Stop straining for all those hard-to-reach branches and stand safely on solid ground with the Joe SWJ800E electric pole chainsaw from Joe. Joe's adjustable telescoping pole easily extends to give you up to 15 feet of overhead reach. Powered by a robust 6.5 amp motor, the SWJ800E can easily tackle tree limbs up to 7.5 inches thick. Joe features a durable 8-inch organ bar and chain, and an ergonomic handle with non-slip comfort grip for added stability and safety. An automated oiler keeps the bar and chain fully lubricated, and adjusting chain tension is as quick as a turn of a screw. Joe powers up reliably with the push of a button and comes equipped with a built-in safety switch to prevent accidental starting. CSA approved with a full 2-year warranty ensures you can count on Joe when there's cutting to be done. So let gravity do the work and go with Joe, the Joe SWJ800E pole saw from Joe. Get equipped.
You know, I don't feel tired. You know, using other chainsaws, you get so much vibration, you tend to feel tired in the shoulders and elbows, and I don't have any of that with this. I want to cut more. I'm a little disappointed that I'm not going to have more work to do around the house. I need more trees in the yard. This has been my battery powered for years. I don't even know if that's worth going any further. That's a 15-minute job to make one 2-inch cut. Let's see the difference. Wow, my goodness. That's incredible. I just made a perfect, smooth, even cut in 12 seconds compared to me getting a half an inch in 20 seconds. And that cut is unbelievable too. That's unreal. I've never had a battery powered chainsaw that could do that. Oh wow. I've been using it for almost an hour and I still have half a battery left. The battery's compatible with my other Greenworks tools, which I'm in love with, so the fact that I can pick it up and put a battery in it from one of my other tools, I mean, that's why I like staying with one brand, because of the compatibility. And I really cannot absolutely believe that this is a battery powered chainsaw. I've been using battery powered for 7 years and there's no way I would have been able to make these cuts. Awesome. Yep, I'm impressed and happy. Thank you guys for allowing me to use this.
When operating your chainsaw, avoid all situations which you consider to be beyond your capability. If you still feel uncertain about operating procedures after watching these videos, please consult an expert before continuing. Also consider taking a chainsaw course through your local dealer or forestry school. And of course, read the owner's manual. Before you begin, make sure you are using the latest in chainsaw safety equipment. This includes a protective helmet with hearing protection or earplugs, protective goggles or a visor, gloves with saw protection, trousers with saw protection, boots with saw protection, steel toe cap, and non-slip soles. Always have a first aid kit, fire extinguisher, and shovel nearby. Every Husqvarna chainsaw is equipped with a chain brake that is designed to stop the chain should you encounter any kickback. The chain brake reduces the risk of accidents, but only you can prevent them. Take care when using your saw and make sure the kickback zone of the bar never touches any object. The chain brake can either be activated manually with your left hand or automatically by the inertia release mechanism. Kickback can be very sudden and violent. Most kickbacks are minor and may not always activate the chain brake. If this happens, you should hold the chainsaw firmly and not let go. Use the chain brake as a parking brake when moving over short distances in order to reduce the risk of a moving chain accidentally hitting your leg or anyone else's leg. The way the chain brake is activated depends on the force of the kickback and the position of the chainsaw in relation to the object that the kickback zone strikes. If you get a violent kickback while the kickback zone of the bar is farthest away from you, the brake is designed to be activated by the inertia in the kickback direction. If the kickback is less violent or the kickback zone of the bar is closer to you, the chain brake is designed to be activated manually by the movement of your left hand. Never refuel the machine while the engine is running or is hot from recent use, and always make sure your fueling area has plenty of ventilation. After fueling, move the machine at least 10 feet from the refueling point before starting it. Never start the machine if you have spilled fuel or chain oil on the machine. Wipe off spillage and allow remaining fuel to evaporate. Never start the machine if you have spilled fuel on yourself or your clothes.